Buradan vurma. Kendisine hoş geldin demek istiyoruz.
They say welcome our country, our place, our town.
Nereden geldiği, ismini kısaca kendi bize tanıtır mı?
Please can't you introduce yourself?
Yes, I'm Marwa and I'm from Palestine, Philistine, and I actually came here because I like hiking, and I came actually to Hakkari like 2 years ago, but I didn't get the chance to see Mount Cello, so I decided to come this year to actually in the summer, because the last time I came in the winter, and I decided to hike this time to come to Mount Cello and climb it, inshallah.
Yeah. Daha önce zaten Hakkari'ye 2 yıl önce gelmiş, Reşko Dağı'na tırmanmış ama kış olduğu için çok bir şeyleri görememiş. Tekrar gelmek istemiş çünkü tırmanmayı çok seviyor. O yüzden böyle karar verip buraya gelmiş tekrardan. Burayı çok seviyor.
Uzun bir yoldan geldiği Hakkari'yi bu kadar sevip ikinci defa gelmesinin sebebi ne olabilir? Veya dışarıdan gelen yabancı dağcılar için bir mesajı var mı?
Do you have message for people who like hiking and this is your twice time? What do you come twice time?
Well, actually what I really would recommend people to come really to Hakkari because it has a lot of beauty, really, like the nature here, the mountains, the culture itself, the food, everything about it. It's really amazing.
What do you feel to becoming Hakkari?
Well, the thing is, like, I was surprised when I came the first time because, like, the culture itself, like the Hakkarian, like, let's say, culture and also the Palestinian culture, very similar, like the Kurdish, like, you know, with the Palestinian.
Yes.
So this was like, to me, like, it was very surprising, and I felt very warm and I felt like I'm in home. So that was like really incredible.
Kendini burada çok sıcak hissettiğini, evinde hissettiğini çünkü kültürlerimizin benzer olduğunu söylüyor.
Yes.